How to fix Google Maps not showing routes. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can fix that. So it was on Android, iPhone or Samsung. So for example, you guys are going to anywhere and the Google Maps are not showing route. So that had three main reasons. The first reason was the route was not available officially on Google Maps, like sometimes there is some routes that don't recognized by Google Maps, so that's why they don't available. But if that was not problem, the other two problems would be you need to simply check your network connection. For network, you guys will simply check your Wi-Fi or data. And if it's okay, simply go scroll here now, click on airplane mode. After that, wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, remove airplane mode and the open Google Maps, so it will work. And if still didn't work, the other things guys will do simply hold on Google Maps, so where you guys can go to settings, like simply click on settings. Here search for the apps, where you put search for the apps. Once you search for apps, here you guys will see apps, disable apps, media management apps. You simply click on apps. Once you click on apps, here you guys will see app management, so simply click on app management. Now search for Google Maps, so I will simply search for maps. Here you guys simply search for maps. So wait for some seconds. Here we go, I will simply click on maps. Once you click on that, here you guys will see storage usage, data usage, you simply click on storage usage. Now clear the cache, after that clear data. And once you clear data, you will Google Maps, after that again open and your problem will be fixed. And it didn't work. The third thing, you guys can go to App Store or Play Store and you will simply update with Google Maps. So that's how you guys can fix that. Thanks for watching.